Hi dear, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, we are going to build our first app. I have opened up the new Flutter project. As you can see, the starting code is created by the Flutter team. All it does is it creates a simple counter app. If you want to see what it looks like, then go ahead and open up your emulator and click run. It is a simple application with some text and a button that you can press. Now I am going to delete all the things below the main function. Material app is a predefined class in Flutter that is used to create a material design application. It is a top-level widget that wraps the entire application and provides the basic material visual layout structure. Let's get back into the material app. And as you can see, we can start building our tree of widgets. So inside the material app, the most important thing you get is to set the home. Basically, the home is a property which is used to specify the widget that serves as the initial or home screen of your application. This is the first screen that users see when they launch your application. Now, in the home page of the app, we want to see some text. Here comes the text widget. The text widget is used to display text on your screen. As you can see, it looks weird on the top of the screen. Let's change it and bring it to the center and see how it looks.